the hotter the summer heat gets, the more you will love this dish. I will show you how to make this incredibly refreshing and delicious bowl of ice-cold Chinese noodle invented in Japan. This dish is called冷やし中華 in Japanese, which translates as cold Chinese noodles. It has captured the hearts of people all across Japan. Not only can you find it in countless restaurants, it has also become a staple item in nearly every convenience store in Japan. Now, let me share with you an interesting twist. This cold Chinese noodle doesn't actually exist in China. It's a unique creation born out of Chinese restaurants here in Japan. More than 80 years ago, faced with declining sales of their traditional hot Chinese noodles during the scorching Japanese summer days, clever Chinese restaurant owners in Japan invented this delectable cold dish. I think this is a perfect example of a harmonious blend of Japanese and Chinese influences, resulting in a refreshing and satisfying treat that perfectly combats the summer heat.